Good
morning.
Are they all eating chew stuff too, like me?
All the children at nursery?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure they're having their breakfast too. Morning, boys. One boy is having cereal. The other one is doing laundry.
Someone has to.
Are you enjoying your Cocoa
Yeah.
Pops?
How big am I?
How big are you? Because you ate your bowl of cereal. Let's see. You've grown bigger now. Oh my goodness. You are taller than the door handle.
Look.
Yes, you are. Well done.
Look how big am I?
Here, let's see. Look at that bigness.
Hi, we just have,
That's okay. We can play when you come back,
we
okay?
have to start to play that apart.
Yes, we will build it when you come home.
I will leave it like that for you on the table so you can build it, okay? Sab is waiting for you.
Come,
He's saying, oh, I want to play with my friend Victor. Would you like to put them on? Should I put your shoes on? Oh, I think I'll go to nursery to
And I will take the teddy coat.
I want the teddy coat too. Hi, that's my shoe
I'm
now.
putting on the teddy coat. Oh.
Can you show me your trick, how you put your teddy coat on? Wow, it's such a cool trick.
Can I see the pictures?
Yeah.
What do you use?
It's Tuesday. And a kiss. Love you. Have a good morning.
Good morning.
It's been raining.
Looks like a sunny day.
Hopefully.
Good morning. We actually woke up a bit late today, so he's gonna be probably like 5 minutes late to preschool this morning, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna sit down and make my breakfast now and have that because I'm starving.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too
Because I feel like I can properly like sit down and talk to you guys for a bit, because I haven't really done a video since my previous one, which I feel like was quite a maybe dramatic one, or you know, just a bit more of a downer than my usual videos. I'm just gonna share with you what I used before, just in case you're wondering, because I know some people ask about my makeup, but I used the same thing over and over again, so I feel like there's no point in doing a makeup video because this is all that I use. But I just use the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. Sometimes I use the Rimmel Match Perfection, so if I just want kind of a lighter coverage. And then for my eyebrows I use the L'Oreal Paradise pomade. So now I'm just gonna do my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the MAC palette. I kind of need to clean it up a bit. This one is in Amber ×9. I think that's what it's called. And I just thought I would kind of catch you up a bit. I feel like I haven't been on YouTube in the last month or so. I think I've barely been on here. For one, it's because, you know, as you saw in my previous video, we've been dealing with some, you know, fertility issues. So I had quite a lot of appointments going on this month, which did take a lot of my time because my fertility clinic is not, you know, it's not really close. Like it takes me a while to go there and back. So yeah, that did take me a lot of time, and I, you know, scheduled all of my appointments when Victor, like in the morning when Victor is at preschool, just because I can't really take him with me there. And then I also had something exciting going on. I launched a new course, which I talk about on Instagram. Maybe if you follow me there, you have seen that. But yeah, that took, you know, quite a lot of time to set, research, film, everything like that. But that's all launched now, so I'm kind of getting back into YouTube, into filming. So I'm really, really excited about that. So yeah, I wanted to do a morning routine today because I actually got a few requests for this I posted on Instagram stories a while ago if you guys have any suggestions for videos you would like to see, and a lot of people said morning routine and evening routine, and it made me realize that I haven't filmed an actual morning routine in a while. Like, I film cleaning routines here and there, but not like my full morning, if you know what I mean. So that's what I'm going to do today. So as you saw, we just had breakfast. We actually had a late start to our morning, which sometimes kind of throws me off a bit, but I try not to let it, you know, kind of affect me too much for the rest of the day, because I don't want to get stuck in that kind of negative thinking of, oh, I had a crap start of the day, so the rest of my day is gonna be like that. Because, you know, it wasn't such a bad start. It was just a bit rushed because we woke up late. And I'm also on kind of a different routine at the moment because of the fertility treatment that I'm taking. It kind of switched up my routine a little bit. Like, it's such a small change, I feel like, but I don't know, it kind of threw me off for a bit, so I'm still kind of trying to figure out my routine here. I talked more about this in my previous video if you want kind of more details, but basically I'm taking one of the things that's kind of affecting my morning routine is I'm taking pessaries, the progesterone ones, and so when you take those, you have to lie down for about 30 minutes to kind of let it absorb into your body, and so every morning I have to do that, which kind of threw me off because, you know, I'm used to just getting up, go, get all the stuff done, and now I feel like I wake up, and then I have to lie down for 30 minutes, which, yeah, it's just unusual for me, so I'm just kind of getting used to that. Obviously it's not, you know, it's not a big deal, and I'm sure I'll find kind of my routine with that, but yeah, that's kind of how my morning starts lately. And what I have been trying to do, and what I did this morning as well, I didn't actually film this, but I just do emails. So while I wait for those 30 minutes in bed, I just, you know, reply to emails or get a start on work things, which is really nice because it actually gives me, you know, a bit of a head start. Oh, it's really hard to focus while I do this. Yeah, so then we had breakfast. Obviously you saw that Victor's off at preschool this morning, so he's gonna be there until noon-ish, and that's usually my work hours. Like, I only work in the mornings. He only goes half days. He doesn't stay a full day at the nursery, which works well for us. So yeah, those morning hours are usually my work hours. So I'll either, you know, film a cleaning video, which I'm gonna do today, like I'm filming my morning routine, or I'll get actual, you know, other work like emails or anything else that I have going on in my online business, because I'm gonna use my mascara. This is just the iconic London mascara. And yeah, so I feel like, I don't know and how many kind of details to go into with the fertility stuff, but I just wanted to talk about it more because I feel like it's something that's not talked about a lot. And, you know, us as women or moms, we kind of have this expectation on us, I feel like, a lot of the time, to just carry on doing things like we normally would, even though we have, you know, things we are struggling with or things going on the side, and you're just expected to go and carry on like nothing happened. I don't know, I just feel like it helps to talk to people who are going through the same thing. You kind of normalize, you know, going through fertility treatments and stuff like this, because it's not easy, and I do think it makes it easier if you can talk to someone about it, if you can hear other people going through this. So if you ever feel like that, you can always message me on Instagram. I try my best to get back to everyone. But yeah, that's just why I decided to share all of this that's been going on. Yeah, because it truly is not easy, and I feel like before you get into all of the like fertility testing and everything like that, you don't really realize how much time it's going to take you, like all of the appointments and you know, tests and everything like that. Like, it's been a lot more than I expected, but you know, just taking it one day at a time at the moment. I'm just using the Maybelline eraser concealer now. I've got the collection powder. I'm just gonna use that to set the concealer. Got the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, so I just use this for kind of contouring a bit, bronzing my face. Yeah, so what I want to do now that I've done my makeup, obviously I'm gonna get dressed and then I'm gonna go around the house and kind of tidy up. I do this pretty much every morning. Like just kind of go and tidy after breakfast because there's dishes, tidy the living room because sometimes I don't feel like tidying toys at the end of the day, which I think I should try to get into that habit and get into that habit with Victor. We do that sometimes, but not every night because I don't know, sometimes I'm just so tired I don't feel like doing that. And I actually think I'm having some kind of side effects from the progesterone. I do feel like I've been more kind of weepy, and I'm not sure if it's just because it's, you know, an emotional journey in itself, or if it's from, you know, all of the hormones that I'm taking as well. Yeah, and I've also been more tired as well, which I know is a side effect of progesterone too. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm just kind of trying to work with it. So yeah, don't always feel like tidying up the toys at the end of the day, but I will be doing that just because I need to hoover in the living room. I need to make the beds. So I'm just gonna go around and do my morning tidy. After I finish this, I'm just using the, what's this called? Mary Luminizer by the Ball. It's just a highlighter. And I'm gonna finish with a spray. I just got the NYX setting spray, I think it's called. And that's that. So I think I'm just gonna do maybe a lip balm. Not sure if I'm gonna do lipstick today. It's just kind of a bit of an update on us, what's been going on. We're also getting ready for Victor to go to school in September. It's crazy to me that he's starting school soon. So I've just been kind of filling up forms for the school, getting everything ready. I need to order his uniform. So crazy. I honestly can't believe he's school aged, like nearly school aged. They do start school quite early here in the UK, but still. So yeah, just kind of prepping for that, which is very exciting and a bit nerve-wracking at the same time, because I know it will be a big transition. But yeah, so I am just gonna get dressed and start tidying up in here.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town.
Okay, so bed is made. I've kind of straightened up in here, and I just wanted to show you something because I actually get asked a lot when I have time to kind of learn as well, because I do try to learn as much as I can, like for my business, for, you know, for personal development, everything like that. And what I usually do is I will put on a podcast. This is what I'm listening to right now. It's The Diary of a CEO by Stephen Bartlett. I follow him on Instagram too, and so it's so motivational, so inspiring. So I'm just listening to one of his episodes, one of his podcasts. I also listen to Audible a lot. Like I put on books in the background. I listen to kind of instructional YouTube videos. I try my best to kind of educate myself as much as I can, and I do that while I'm cleaning, while I'm kind of doing my morning routine. I also do try to do this when I'm cooking dinner, because that's usually a bit of a downtime. Like it's not really downtime because it can be hectic. Like sometimes Victor really wants my attention, but I try my best to do that while I'm cooking. You know, I'm kind of doing mindless tasks like that. I put something in the background for me to listen to. So that's kind of my educating myself time. And yeah, just wanted to share that with you for those of you who kind of feel like they're struggling to find time for everything in their day. So I'm gonna put on that podcast and I'm gonna go ahead and do Victor's room now.
Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep.
Okay, kitchen is finished, upstairs is finished, so I'm quite pleased with that. Now I'm just gonna do the living room, and then I can get, you know, into work, like laptop work. So this is the state of the living room. It's like filled with Legos. I was given strict instructions this morning by Victor not to tidy up the Legos on the table, because apparently he's got that going on and he wants to finish it when he comes home. So I'm gonna leave those on the table and just gonna clean around. I do want to tidy all of the Legos on the floor because I need to hoover.
You can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Okay, so that's my kind of cleaning routine, just tidying in the morning, done for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit at my laptop, get some work done. I have quite a few tasks that I want to get done this morning. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And that is pretty much my morning routine done. It's nearly noon, so it's nearly time to go pick up Victor from preschool. So I'm just gonna get ready to do that, and yeah, then we're just gonna come home, have lunch, and carry on with the rest of our day. But I do hope you have enjoyed this morning routine. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do more of these, or what other videos you would like to see. But yeah, I do hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.